Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm very well, Disha. I'm really sorry about the misunderstanding. I was clicking on the link for another interview.
No issues, no issues, no issues. I'm Adima Bajpayee and I welcome you to Sunay Speaks. So,
Thank, thank
what's
you.
going on? I heard your song Vada Karo and it's really, really amazing. It's so much, it's so powerful, and I also want to know more about it.
तो आप पूछिए मैं यहाँ पे हूँ मैं आप जो पूछेंगे मैं उस I will answer to the best of my ability.
You have talked about the environment issues and climate change during this time of pandemic. So, what made you write this and sing this?
Okay, okay. तो 11 साल पहले की बात है. I'm sounding like a Hindi movie right now. लेकिन मैं पेट से थी. I had my daughter in my belly. And उस वक्त मैंने सोचा कि किस तरह की दुनिया हम उनके लिए छोड़ रहे हैं. Like, I mean, what are we going to leave for our children in the future? I don't know why. It just struck me. And एक वेबसाइट थी जिसका नाम है Planet Alert. उनको वो वेबसाइट के लिए उनको एक एंथम की जरूरत थी. तो
Okay.
उन्होंने मुझे पूछा कैन यू राइट एन एंथम फॉर अस.
Hmm.
तो उस वक्त वो सब क्लाइमेट चेंज का सब चल रहा था मेरे मेरे जहन में.
Yes.
एंड आई लुक आउट ऑफ द विंडो दैट डे एंड ऑल द वर्ड्स जस्ट केप्ट कमिंग आउट. वादा करो कुछ कुछ करना है अब बिकॉज आई फेल्ट समथिंग वी हैव टू डू रादर देन जस्ट कीप ऑन टॉकिंग अबाउट इट.
Yeah.
And धरती की तबाही होने न दो. The words just came out.
Yes.
And I gave it to them, and they liked it very much. But then they themselves fizzled out. The website didn't continue to flourish. So उसके बाद मैंने सोचा कि it's such a beautiful song. And Dhruv Ganekar, he has written such a wonderful melody. ऐसे मुझे कुछ करना है इसके साथ. तो बहुत सालों के बाद I approached the same website and half the people had left the company and I said अगर मुझे इसके साथ कुछ करना है तो कहना है. They said please do something because you made something so beautiful and we could not do justice to it, so please go ahead and do it. So I was very happy I got the go ahead. और तब मेरी सफर जो है वो शुरू हुई. और पहले तो सिर्फ ध्रुव घानेकर का म्यूजिक था और मैं. The whole Dharavi Rocks thing came much later.
Yeah.
कुछ 4 साल पहले हंगामा म्यूजिक के साथ मेरी बहुत पहले से दोस्ती है. तो सौमनी ने कहा था कि कम यू सिंग फॉर अस ऑन June 5th ऑन वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे. तो वहाँ पे आसिफ बामला का हर साल का कुछ होता ही रहता है. एवरी ईयर ही डज दीस वंडरफुल थिंग्स. So I was going to sing Vada Karo and we were going to have like a soft launch of the audio. तो उस वक्त धारावाही रॉक्स भी उसी कॉन्सर्ट में परफॉर्म कर रहे थे. तो ये काटर रोड पे थी. And already I had been doing a lot of workshops with Dharavi Rocks. I work with Acorn Foundation. I'm a trustee with them. Mr. Vinod Shetty and I have worked together over the years. So they're all my friends, all these boys and girls who are doing all this lovely beatboxing and dancing and singing and composing. They're a talented bunch of people. So I had been doing vocal workshops with them because we were putting together a band. We were just coming up with the whole Dharavi rock thing. In fact, I had actually thought of that title for them. And I said, why don't you come on stage and sing play for this? So bade drums leke, he started thumping on the drums with Vada Karo.
Yeah.
And uska pura naksha hi badal gaya. It became a completely different song. So then we decided to revisit it and go back into the recording studio and we used the rap. Crazy B, he did his beautiful rap. And I already had an English one, so it was juxtaposing beautifully. And we went into the recording studio with them and Dhamal ho gaya. And then we said, now this is what this has to be. That's how
with your powerful voice, you have a very powerful presence on screen, as always. Whether it's Vada Karo this time or Dekha Dekha, you always had an amazing, powerful personality on screen. So where is this coming from? Always.
अरे personality मतलब मुझे क्या पता. I don't know. It's probably from my parents. I don't know. With a deadly combination of my mother and father.
It's so impressive and it's so fascinating. Really, it feels so amazing watching you on screen. As always. So I watched your Pari Human electronic media and print media entitled You with Pari. So it's really, we recognize you as Pari, and whenever it comes like Pari
Hmm.
Hu Main, we remember Sunita Rao and Pari Hu Main. We are dancing on it. It's
Mhm.
really amazing. So how what do you feel about it कि एक इतना बड़ा गाना आपसे इतना connected है और लोग आपको इस गाने से recognize करते हैं?
देखिए परी हूँ मैं जो है आई थिंक बहुत चीजों की बात है, ये सिर्फ मैं नहीं हूँ. I mean, I know I created it. I know it's me singing. I know it's me in the video. But there are incredible lyrics. There's beautiful music. और वो समय जो था when it was released, I think लोगों को कुछ they needed to hear something like that. They needed to hear something like that. And जिस तरह से मैं फील कर रही थी उस वक्त मेरे मेरे जीवन में, I was 23 years old, I was 21 years old, and it was the way I was feeling about myself, and I wanted everybody else to feel that way. तो मैंने राजेश जौहरी से विनती की, अच्छा आप कुछ भी कीजिए लेकिन जब लोग सुनेंगे तो it must caress your skin when you're listening to it. मैंने कहा आप उर्दू प्लीज यूज कीजिए. I'm quite influenced by Urdu. I don't know Urdu, but I'm influenced by it because of my mother. She sings ghazals, and ghazals are my favorite type of like classical music actually. So I told him, I said, it should be a little bit like a ghazal, but the composition was totally different. It's not a ghazal, but I'm saying the words that you use will do. It doesn't matter if people don't understand everything. They will understand the feelings. Suhurur,
Yeah.
surur, yes, you know, I said, just put it, you know. And I learned along the way, you know, that this is what it means.
Yeah.
And so I think that the USP of this particular song is that जो लोग सुनते हैं उनको अपने आप में अंदर खूबसूरती महसूस होती है.
Yeah, sure. ये बात तो
I
एकदम
think this
सही
is
है
the
जी.
key. This is the key to the success of the song, I think. And
I
also
have
right timing, you know.
I have a curiosity to ask you कि अगर आप सिंगर नहीं होती तो क्या होती?
Either an actor or a dancer, professional dancer. But when I say dancer, I mean Bharatanatyam.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
That is my first love.
we have seen Indian pop singers, but you have introduced ethnic Indian pop singer in our industry. So what is that? What it is all about?
See, now I myself, I am actually quite a global person. I mean, I'm born in Germany. My father lived in Germany for 25 years. I'm married to an Englishman. My sister married a Swiss chap. I mean, you know, we're all global people, okay? But in my heart, okay, I've grown up with classical music. When South Indian, Carnatic music when I was a kid. And as I grew older, I learned a little bit of Hindustani classical. My mother has been singing ghazal, geet, bhajan for many years. So, and you know, we have been exposed to the rich culture of India. You know, whether it's beautiful traditional Rajasthani silver jewelry, you know, whether it's the bandhani,
Yeah.
the bindis, you know, those are all very much a part of our culture, and I find it beautiful. So this is my way of expressing myself. But because of my globalness, I had to wear the jeans with it.
Yeah.
So this is why there was this mix that was happening in my music. And as a result, the mix was happening in my look, or the other way around. I don't know which came first. But that was a synergy, which is why I always like to call it ethnopop, because it was the ethnicity. Hamari jo, what is it? I was looking for a Hindi word for this now. Sanskriti hai, और हमारी जो, you know, इतिहास है, you know, Padmavati, and you know, everything from our culture. It's so rich that you can't just say Indian, you know, because that just categorizes you as geographically.
Yeah.
We are culturally Indian. That's why I use the word ethnic.
Okay, great. Yeah. So आज के टाइम पे रीमिक्स बहुत बन रहे हैं. लाइक हम कोई भी बॉलीवुड मूवी देखते हैं, वी आर गेटिंग सम रीमिक्स. तो अगर आपका बहुत ही पुराना गाना 90s का मोस्ट फेमस परी हूं मैं का रीमिक्स आता है तो आपका क्या रिएक्शन होगा?
Actually, बहुत सारे हैं. There are many people who are doing it. Initially, people were mixing it with Michael Jackson's The Way You Make Me Feel. उसका rhythm जो है, it was going very well with it. It was going very well with it. You know, so I used to hear it in discourse even then. And then even recently, I mean, so many girls are sending me messages on Instagram singing their own version of Pari. oh, so many people are dancing to it, putting
Yeah.
their own. I mean, but like an official remix, actually, I think it's a bit difficult to remix this tune. I myself attempted it once. And I mean, I would never want to do a remix of my own tune, but then people kept on telling me, please do it, oh, sorry. And so I've done it, it's there. I'm not so sure if I want to do that. I'm still working with it.
So your new
But
song, Vada Karo.
my overall,
Yeah.
sorry.
Yeah. Continue.
No, my overall opinion of remixes is that if you're going to do it well. That's
Yeah.
it. Make it your own.
So your new song वादा करो, आप क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रही हैं ऑडियंस से? डू यू थिंक कि इस गाने के बाद कोई एक चेंज आएगा, पीपल विल चेंज, और पीपल विल एटलीस्ट थिंक फॉर अ मिनी सेकेंड कि हमें अपने एनवायरनमेंट के साथ इस तरीके की चीजें नहीं करनी चाहिए जिससे ये पैंडेमिक आज इतना बढ़ चुका है एंड वी आर सर्वाइविंग अ लॉट. तो डू यू थिंक कि कुछ मिनी सेकेंड्स के लिए लोगों के दिमाग में ख्याल आएगा कि हमें अपने एनवायरनमेंट को सेव करके रखना है?
आपने बहुत अच्छी तरह से बोली है मिनी सेकंड. You know what I'm telling you, there's 3 minutes. Okay, the song is 3 minutes long, and if any person gets that millisecond, my work is done. Okay, because honestly, हमारा जो व्यवहार है, हम जो करते हैं, our own actions, they make a huge difference, and nobody realizes, अरे मेरे करने से या नहीं करने से क्या होगा? यही बात गलत है. Our behavioral changes are what are going to help reduce overall, mitigate जो कहते हैं ना, mitigate the effects of climate change and global warming.
Yeah.
India जो है बहुत ही susceptible है, बहुत ही vulnerable है. We are the most vulnerable to severe monsoons and droughts, and climate change is because we are the world's largest population of poor and vulnerable people. And we will suffer the worst consequences of climate change.
Yes.
So those of us who can afford certain things, we should respect those things and use them judiciously at least. See, I am no activist. I am a citizen like everybody else. What do I have? I have music. I have a platform. So I'm hoping that by being on that platform, like you said, at least people will
think about it.
Be made aware.
Yeah.
Because it's in a palatable way. It's an enjoyable tune. You don't have to learn a lesson from it every time. You can dance.
It's kind of a wake up call for people.
Yeah,
Ki utho, jago, and see what's happening.
When you're going on a journey and you want to just listen to music in a car or something, play it, blast it. Somewhere in your subconscious, if it goes in, then that's fine. Exactly. Because what I'm basically trying to say is that just don't allow things to happen in front of you. Don't let it get barbad. Just if you can prevent something, prevent it. Reuse, recycle, remake. We keep hearing these things, but let's actually really do them. Put off the fan, put off the AC. एक ही AC यूज करो घर में, तीनों तीन चालू नहीं करो एक साथ. If you can use public transport, use public transport. Wear your mask, keep your distance, because there's a connection. Okay.
Yes.
There's a connection between the root causes of climate change and COVID, or not necessarily just COVID, but pandemics in general. You know that when COVID affects a lot of people's lungs, so if the air is generally polluted, that's going to make it even more difficult for you to breathe clean air. Or for example, if there is more decay or pollution in the earth, then there is more likelihood of more viruses and diseases. There is a connection. One can't separate the two. So I suppose, I had something to say to everybody, and I hope that I really, really hope it will make even a little bit of difference.
Yeah, with this song, you are keeping a very, very important message in front of the audience. That's great. So how are you coping up with this pandemic, and what are the new hobbies which you have started doing during this lockdown period?
So one of the most significant things that I did was actually have this video come into fruition. क्योंकि पैंडेमिक की वजह से हमारी शूटिंग पूरी आउटडोर शूटिंग कैंसिल हुई थी, बिकॉज बिकॉज ऑफ द स्केल ऑफ द ट्यून आई हैड बिग ड्रीम्स. हमें बहुत हेलीकॉप्टर लेके ये करना था, वो करना था, एंड दे वर ऑल स्टैश्ड because of the pandemic, So then I took it as a mission. I said, I'm sitting at home and in front of my computer, what can I accomplish? So वो सब जो आप देख रहे हैं वीडियो में, all that footage took me months and months and months of research, and I had to contact organizations like the WWF, some television channels. I used my friends were really, really helpful and supportive, and put me in touch with the necessary people. Then, of course, I had to get permissions. I had to choose all the clippings.
Yeah.
It takes a lot of time. And I also had to do the crowdfunding with Wishberry. That itself, it was like 60 days of continuous crowdfunding, and then the follow-up, you know. So, and then I had to give everything to an editor, and he also was having delays. He himself got COVID in the middle of the whole thing, you know. So that also took a very long time to actually do the editing with him,
Yeah.
up and down, up and down. So one part of the lockdown went in that. One part of lockdown also, we had it in the family also. We had to also cope with it. So
Yeah.
all the isolation and the cooking and the, you know, room service to whoever is affected, I had to do all that.
Yeah.
I myself had to do a lot of cooking and cleaning, which everybody is doing. And I resumed my Bharatnatyam.
Oh,
I started
great.
taking my Bharatnatyam classes again. And what else? Yeah.
So lastly, I just want to request you to sing 2 lines of your song, please. Vada
किसका वादा करो?
Vada kar.
कौन सा वो English rap now या Hindi?
Anything.
Okay, I'll do a little of both.
Yeah.
पर्वत पिघलने लगे हैं, ये धरती उजड़ने लगी है, नदियां है सूखी, जमी है भूखी, ये गर्मी जो बढ़ने लगी है, ये उलझन है हमारी किसी और की नहीं, सहती है दुनिया सारी कहीं ना कहीं। वादा करो, ये वादा करो, कुछ करना है अब, ये वादा करो, अपने हाथों इस धरती की ऐसी तबाही होने न दो, वादा करो।
Beautiful, ma'am. Beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for connecting, and thank you so much for the conversation. Thank you.
Thank you, Richa. God bless you.